Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, running boards, speed control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.